Hey, have you ever spent the night staring at the ceiling while the clock just tick-tocked to mock you, or woke up feeling more tired than when you went to bed? I've been there, and I know how frustrating it is. But what if I told you that sleeping well isn't luck, it's science? Today, I'm going to show you 5 science-backed hacks to hack your sleep, wake up refreshed, and stop counting sheep. First, let's talk about your bedroom. You know the saying, you are what you eat. Well, your sleep is where you sleep. Step 1. Turn your bedroom into a cave, in a good way. Temperature between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 68 degrees Fahrenheit, pitch dark and silent. If you don't have blackout curtains, a sleep mask is a lifesaver. And if your neighbor is a fan of midnight serenades, earplugs or white noise, like rain sounds on YouTube, will do the trick. Now, step 2. Trick your brain with light. Your phone is the villain here. Blue light blocks melatonin, the sleep hormone. 2 tips: wear blue light blocking glasses at night or turn on night mode 2 hours before bed. And in the morning, get 10 minutes of sunlight. It resets your internal clock like magic. Step 3. The 10-3-2-1 rule. No, it's not a bomb code. It's what you should avoid before bed. 10 hours before, no more caffeine. 3 hours before, stop eating. Your body needs to rest, not digest a feast. 2 hours before, no more work or intense Netflix. 1 hour before, say goodbye to screens. Swap them for a boring book or a calming podcast. Step 4. The power of cooling down. Taking a hot shower 1 hour before bed might seem counterintuitive, but it's genius. Your body cools down afterward, signaling time to sleep. If you don't want a shower, soak your feet in cold water for 2 minutes. And step 5, the mental checklist technique. Before lying down, write down everything on your mind, tasks, worries, even that meme you want to send tomorrow. This turns off the anxiety and tells your brain, it's saved, you can rest now. So, which hack are you trying tonight? Let me know in the comments which step sounds the easiest or the craziest. Oh, and subscribe to the channel because next week I'll teach you how to wake up at 5 a.m. without wanting to die. Until then, sweet dreams, and remember, sleeping well isn't a luxury, it's a life upgrade. Bye.